it's Vince from Pinpoint Networks with your latest tech update. Ever feel irritated by the constant ping of Microsoft Teams notifications? Ping, ping, ping! Well, you're not alone, me too. Good news then, Microsoft just rolled out an update that lets you customize notification sounds on Teams. Imagine replacing that generic ping with a soothing chime or subtle whoosh. This may seem like a small change, but it can have a big impact on your day if you ever worked in a busy office. By choosing different sounds for different notifications, you can prioritize your work more effectively and minimize distractions. For business owners, this isn't just a new feature, it's a productivity booster. Custom notification sounds mean your team can tailor their alerts to their preferences. Urgent messages from key contacts? Give them a distinct sound. Routine notifications? Something softer and less intrusive. We can help you customize your Microsoft Teams to be perfect for your business. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.